Hi, I'm Joanne Butler with some holiday planning tips. The most important, plan ahead. Do whatever you can in advance and the night before so that the day of you can just enjoy your party. Set up all the tables and chairs and any chafing dishes in advance. I also like to set up a festive bar and make a signature holiday cocktail. It's not only festive and fun, but just eliminates having to run around making drinks all night so guests can just help themselves. Make sure to cut up all the fruits, the garnishes, so you can just take it out of the fridge and you're all set. The same for the food. You know, I always go buffet style. I like to either cater or make things weeks in advance and freeze it so that all I have to do is warm up the chafing dishes, take the food out and plop them in there. And I always have holiday nuts on all of my tables, and Planters nuts are always a staple in my house for just every party, and they're always a crowd pleaser. I like to put bowls all around the bar, on all my tables, and it's so cool this year they've come out with 2 limited edition flavors for the holidays. Butter cinnamon pecans, oh, absolutely delicious. Just this indulgent touch of sweetness with that freshly roasted crunch, you know, that they're known for. I love these. And for chocolate lovers, the Planters cocoa almonds, which just have a toasty taste of almonds with intense dark chocolate. They're so rich and delicious. And of course, all of their holiday classic everyone loves. You know, there's just something for everyone. And they're just so easy too. You can just pop open a can and everybody can have at it. You can even make your own variation. The Planters brand website actually has a ton of great holiday ideas and recipes. Here we actually made special rosemary spice nuts. We just added some seasoning, and voila, you have your own flavored nuts. So delicious and, you know, spicy. I also like to make my own desserts, so even if I do cater, I'll always make desserts. You know, that just screams holiday to me. A couple super easy ones here. This is the delicious butter cinnamon pecan cheesecake. Now, we just combined graham cracker crumbs, sugar, butter for the crust, beat some cream cheese, sugar and sour cream, vanilla, and just baked it for 75-85 minutes. And then the cocoa almond bark, which just took a few minutes. We just microwaved some white chocolate, stir in a couple of the almonds, spread it onto a baking sheet, let it stand for an hour, and voila, just absolutely delicious. And then this mixed chocolate nut pie. We just mixed some eggs, corn syrup, brown sugar, butter, and espresso powder, stirred in the nuts and chocolate, poured it into a shell, and bake it for 45 minutes. So super easy, so delicious. Again, you just hit the Planters website at planters.com/holiday for these and so many other great recipes. Also, I gotta tell you something really cool they're doing. They're giving you a chance to take your holiday party next year to the next level with a visit from Mr. Peanut himself, along with his 27-foot-long Nutmobile. Plus, check this out, $10,000 to help you plan your party. You just buy one of these limited edition goodies while supplies last, upload your receipt to planters.com/holiday by December 31st. And you can follow along too, all the fun at Mr. Peanut and all the social channels, so really, really cool. Now, other things you can do in advance to make the party super festive: make a special holiday playlist. Include the artists you know everyone likes. You know, like my mom will always go for the holiday classics, while my nephews and nieces like the current festive pop hits. Again, just do whatever you can in advance, and that'll really help a lot so that you can actually enjoy your party.